Everybody, Lorraine here. I have a 12 by 24 inch canvas that I have already put a layer of my white paint on, and I want to make some poinsettias on here. So what I have mixed up is I have a phthalo green, I have a light green, I have a crimson, a permanent red, I have my 24 karat gold by Deco Art Extreme, and I have some black and my white mixed up. Now I've already tried this with my blow dryer, and the blow dryer makes it go out too far. So I am thinking I want to make some leaves first, because typically a poinsettia, you see the green leaves underneath. And this phthalo green and the crimson, I put some iridescent medium in it so that it will make it shiny. So put this down like this. Take my straw and just blow it out. Okay, what I'm going to do is put a little bit of black towards the back of these, just a drop. Might want to thin this out. We'll see how this works. I'm going to blow it out. Like that. I'm going to turn it, try and get it, make sure that you can see what I'm doing. I think I need a little more paint in there to make this spread out the way I want it to. So a little bit more of my crimson. Some more of the gold. More of the permanent red. I'm going to thin my black just a little bit here. Seemed a little too thick. Put just a drizzle of that. Just a couple drops there on each one. I can blow them out this way. Ooh, I like that. A little too much black on the one side here. Put a little bit of my crimson on there. Just a drop. And I'm going to blow through that a little bit. Perfect. And I'm going to move through, kind of move on over a little bit. Love it. Look at all that popping up around in there. Bring it up close so you can see it. It's so pretty. This one still, I think I have too much black in it. But we'll see. And do a third over here. let me give you a close-up of this. I just love the little cells that are coming out. There's no silicone in these paints. It's just simple results of the Floetrol. Very delicate looking in there. It's very cool. I'm pretty happy with it. Just looking for something a little Christmassy to hang on the wall for Christmas dinner. I think this will be perfect. I hope you liked it, guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. And I will see you next time. Bye.